In this video, I will walk you through the world of smart pet tech to see if a digital translator is worth your investment. PettiChat stands out as a unique contender in the market, aiming to bridge the communication gap between humans and their furry friends. When comparing this to traditional GPS collars, the trade-off is clear. While most devices focus solely on location, this tool prioritizes emotional connection. It utilizes voice print capture and semantic understanding to interpret over 50 different emotions and semantics. The standout feature here is the AI-driven diary, which captures a pet's daily thoughts, providing a narrative contrast to the raw data logs found in basic activity trackers. Built on 3 years of research and 12 core patents, the system relies on a massive database of 1.5 million training samples to deliver real-time translations. It even promises a 94.6% accuracy rate in laboratory settings, responding in less than a second to sounds like excited barks or lonely whimpers. Whether you want to know if your cat is happy you're home or if your dog is feeling anxious, the companion app displays their status instantly. It's a fascinating blend of safety and sentiment for the modern pet owner. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Let me know in the comments if you think, I can truly understand our pets.